Hey guys, it's Poppy, and this is William Shakespeare. And today I'm going to tell you guys how William Shakespeare gave me the kick in the pants that I needed to finish my book. Right, Willie? So I'm working on a young adult book. The working title is Season of the Defender. And after my kind of crazy writing challenge that I did last week, I am so close to finishing my first draft. In honor of that, I thought it might be cool to take you guys back to the moment when I knew that I needed to finish my book. So last summer I spent some time in Europe, and on my way home, my last stop was to the UK to visit my awesome friend Claire. And Claire is just an amazing friend. Here's a picture of Claire. She's awesome, people. Just trust me on that. While I was in the UK, Claire took me to all kinds of cool places, including this place. That's right, it says Poundland, people. It is the British equivalent of the dollar store. And I went just a little bit nuts. She was like so embarrassed by me, but I was just like, oh my god, we have to go in here and I have to take a picture. One of the other things that Claire did for me on my birthday was she took me to Stratford-upon-Avon. Now, for those of you who don't know what that is, Stratford-upon-Avon is the birthplace of William Shakespeare. Now, I like Shakespeare just as much as the next person. I wouldn't say I'm like a rabid Shakespeare fan, but I totally appreciate myself some Shakespeare. And I was super excited to go because I've always wanted to go. And it was epically awesome, you guys. There's all kinds of really cool shops. There's this grand, like, Shakespearean theater that's fantastic. And there's a museum. And the highlight, of course, is the actual house that William Shakespeare was born in. And he wasn't just born there. He actually spent some time living there as well, quite a lot of time, and writing there as well. So that was super cool. So we're walking through the house, and in each room of the house, there's a tour guide there who gives you more information about that specific room. And I remember there's one specific room we were in, and the tour guide mentioned that the floors were all original. And, you know, she said something dramatic and lovely, like, you know, so you're basically walking in the footsteps of William Shakespeare. And normally that would totally be like cheesy hokiness, but I was like a little like struck by that quite a lot. So I started thinking about my own book as I'm walking through the house, and I'm thinking, look at all that this man has done. You know, like, if this man can do all of this, you can finish one book, you know? That thought is running through my mind, right? And then we get to the end. And at the end, there's this little room right before you exit the house, and inside this little room, there's a guest book. And I guess the guest book is something that they've done for over 250 years, basically, which is as long as they've been letting visitors into this house, they've had a guest book for people to sign. And actually, in one of the other parts of the houses, they had signatures from all kinds of famous people that had visited the house over the years. So as I'm standing there, you know, people are walking by the guest book like they're just leaving, and I'm like, I'm gonna sign the guest book, and I want to leave my mark here in Shakespeare's house. And I just remember I put my name, and in the little comment section next to my name, I wrote, I feel inspired to finish my book. And when I wrote it, it was like, it was more than just like some like empty promise, you know? It was like a declaration almost, or like part of me even felt like I was making this promise to William Shakespeare, you know, that I'm going to finish my book, I'm going to do that. So once I got home, I started my Poppy Writes a Book website, and I pulled out my NaNoWriMo 2011 draft, and I started writing again. That moment was a turning point for me for some reason, and it really changed things for me. I have never been so dedicated to writing as I am right now. Like I've always said, like really since I was like 12, that I wanted to write a book. And I've never really gone further than maybe writing an outline, and you know, I got this idea for Season of the Defender, and it just kept bothering me. Like, it kept poking at me. Like, when are you gonna write me? Like, you need to write me. And I knew that, and in the back of my mind, I knew I have to finish this book because I just need to, because I want to know how it comes out. I want to see it come out, and I want other people to see it. But that moment, standing there in William Shakespeare's house, yeah, that was kind of my turning point. And I haven't looked back since then. And now I'm almost done with my first draft. So that is seriously a moment. So that's it, you guys. That's how William Shakespeare, this guy here, gave me the kick in the pants that I needed to finish my book. So, thanks, Willie.